A phoenix rises, the SEI fighter jet. Iran's quest for self-reliance in defense has led to remarkable achievements, despite facing numerous challenges. The development of the Saegheh, or SEI fighter jet, meaning thunderbolt in Persian, stands as a testament to their commitment. This remarkable feat, achieved amidst stringent international sanctions, highlights Iran's determination to bolster its defense capabilities. The SEI, based on the American F-5E Tiger II, is not merely a copy, but a testament to Iranian ingenuity. This essay delves into the intricacies of the SEI program, exploring the technical innovations, the hurdles overcome, and the strategic implications of this indigenous fighter jet. Iran, despite facing an arms embargo, has consistently sought to maintain a credible defense posture. The SEI program, initiated in the late 1990s, aimed to address the pressing need to modernize its aging Air Force. The Islamic Republic of Iran Air Force, once heavily reliant on Western aircraft, faced dwindling spare parts and technological obsolescence. The SEI project emerged as a beacon of hope, promising to revitalize Iran's air power and reduce its dependence on foreign suppliers. This ambitious undertaking was driven by the desire to not only maintain, but also enhance Iran's deterrence capabilities in a volatile region. The SEI fighter jet is a testament to Iran's resolve to overcome technological barriers and achieve self-sufficiency in defense production. Faced with an international arms embargo, Iran turned inward, leveraging its domestic aerospace industry and the expertise of its engineers and scientists. The development of the SEI is a story of innovation born out of necessity, showcasing Iran's ability to adapt and overcome challenges. This endeavor has not only bolstered Iran's defense capabilities, but has also had a profound impact on its industrial development and technological progress. From Tiger to Phoenix. Reverse engineering the F-5. Iran acquired F-5E Tiger II aircraft in the 1970s during the Shah's reign. The 1979 Islamic Revolution severed ties with the US, leading to an arms embargo. Iran chose to reverse engineer the F-5E to maintain its air power. Engineers meticulously studied and replicated the F-5E systems. The successful reverse engineering marked a turning point in Iran's aviation industry, remaking the Tiger key modifications and design improvements. While the SEI fighter jet draws inspiration from the F-5E Tiger II, it is not a mere replica. Iranian engineers incorporated several key modifications and design improvements, transforming the original platform into a more capable and modern aircraft. One of the most noticeable changes is the adoption of twin vertical stabilizers, a departure from the single tail fin of the F-5E. This design alteration enhances the SEI's maneuverability and stability, making it more agile in aerial combat. The twin-tail configuration also reduces the aircraft's radar cross-section, making it stealthier and less susceptible to enemy detection. Beyond the visual cues, the SEI incorporates significant upgrades to its avionics and internal systems, reflecting the advancements in military technology since the F-5E's inception. The integration of an advanced digital fly-by-wire system replaces the older hydraulic controls, providing pilots with greater precision and responsiveness. This digital backbone also facilitates the integration of modern avionics, enhancing the SEI's situational awareness and combat effectiveness. The SEI's cockpit features multifunction displays, providing pilots with real-time flight data, navigation information, and weapon status, a significant leap from the analog instruments of the F-5E. The development of the SEI fighter jet was not without its challenges. Sourcing materials and components under international sanctions proved to be a major hurdle. Iran responded by fostering its domestic aerospace industry, encouraging local production of critical components. This drive for self-sufficiency led to the establishment of a robust supply chain within Iran, reducing its dependence on foreign suppliers and strengthening its industrial base. The SEI program became a catalyst for technological innovation, pushing Iranian companies and research institutions to develop indigenous solutions in materials science, manufacturing processes, and aerospace engineering. Eyes in the sky, avionics and armament of the SEI. The SEI fighter jet boasts a modern avionics suite that significantly enhances its combat capabilities. At the heart of its systems lies a sophisticated pulse Doppler radar, enabling precise target engagement. Equipped with an indigenous electronic warfare suite, the SEI gains a crucial edge in contested airspace. The SEI carries a diverse array of air-to-air and air-to-surface weaponry, making it versatile for various missions. Its advanced avionics and diverse weapons payload transform the SEI into a capable multi-role fighter jet, taking flight operational roles and limitations. The SEI fighter jet, since its induction into the Islamic Republic of Iran Air Force, has been assigned a variety of operational roles, showcasing its versatility and importance within Iran's defense strategy. One of its primary roles is air defense, where the SEI's maneuverability, speed, and modern avionics make it a capable interceptor, tasked with protecting Iranian airspace from intrusions. Its ability to carry a mix of air-to-air missiles further strengthens its role in defending against aerial threats. Beyond air defense, the SEI's air-to-surface capabilities have also been utilized in training exercises, simulating ground attack missions. These exercises often involve practicing precision strikes on mock targets, highlighting the SEI's potential role in supporting ground operations if needed. While the SEI fighter jet represents a significant achievement for Iran's defense industry, it's important to acknowledge its limitations in the context of modern aerial warfare. The SEI, despite its upgrades, is still based on the F-5E Tiger II airframe, which was designed in the 1960s. This inherently limits its potential when compared to more modern 4th and 5th generation fighter jets, which boast advanced stealth capabilities, supercruise, and highly integrated sensor fusion. These advanced features are currently beyond the technological capabilities of the SEI. Furthermore, while the SEI's avionics and weapons systems are a significant improvement over the original F-5E, they still lag behind the cutting-edge systems employed by more advanced militaries.